Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get all Miside skins. Make sure to watch until the very end to make sure you don't miss out on any of the important steps. Alright, let's begin. Miside is an indie psychological horror title taking inspiration from the cult classic Yandere Simulator, but turning the whole concept upside down. The game is incredibly short and has a bearable list of completionist tasks that you can accomplish in no time. Spending your everyday life with Mita will unlock tons of secrets about her, some of them that you're not supposed to, and exploring around may allow you to unlock a few extras. Emerging from the extras are 3 costumes that you can use on Mita and add a little more spiciness to the immersion. The school uniform is the initial costume in Miside that you can come across in the beginning stages of the game. Once Mita pulls you inside the simulator and the chapter together at last starts, you can find this costume at the wardrobe side in the bedroom where Mita meets you face to face for the first time. You win some or lose some. To unlock the Christmas clothes for Mita, defeat her in both console mini-games in Chapter 3. Things get weird after the first loading screen glitch appears and she leads you to the TV lounge. The vampire clothes is the last set you can unlock in the game, and to do so, you have to solve the sequential pumpkin puzzle in the chapter She Just Wants to Sleep. To solve the puzzle, press the pumpkins in a designated sequential manner. And that's it, you are done.